Do you guys remember when I made this video talking about YouTube Shorts back in February? If you haven't seen the video, basically I gave you a full overview of YouTube Shorts, how they work, and why they're a big deal right now on YouTube. In that video, I also made mention that the YouTube Shorts app was going to be available for US users in March. Well, YouTube, you made me look like a fibber, and I don't like that. I've been periodically checking the YouTube app for this feature, and every time YouTube has done an update to the app, I fully expected the YouTube Shorts app to become available. But nope. Of course, it's been more bug fixes, and of course, YouTube says they're adding more cat videos. I mean, I do like cat videos, but that's not the point. So now it's May 4th, and guess what? YouTube has finally announced and released the YouTube Shorts feature on our mobile app. Woo! I told you guys, it's a couple of months late, but it came out. I knew it would. So in this video, we're gonna be taking a look at the new Shorts camera feature that's on your mobile app, and I'm gonna be giving you the Creator Insiders updates to this feature as well. What's going on? My name is Max, and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time on my channel and you wanna learn how to make awesome and successful YouTube content, make sure you subscribe right now so that way you don't miss any content. So like I said, this is actually known as the Shorts camera, so let's quickly go over the Creator Insider update notes. Now the biggest update to note here is that up to this point you were only able to record 15-second long videos with the Shorts camera. Now you can actually record either 15 seconds or 60-second videos. They also added filters that you can apply to your YouTube Shorts videos as well. They noted that there's a lot more filters coming down the pipeline, but they're probably not going to be out till later this year into next year. Captions are now added to your YouTube Shorts videos as well. These can actually be manually updated by you whenever you're uploading your YouTube Shorts to your channel. Another big change on the mobile app is that at the bottom currently you can see the Explore button, but that's actually moving to the top of the screen, and that's being replaced with the Shorts button. This is going to allow you to be able to jump into Shorts content a lot quicker rather than having to find a short shelf video. All right, so let's jump into the Shorts camera and actually look at all the features. You can access Shorts camera from the plus sign on your mobile app. You just click it and boom, there it is. Starting from the top, you can see that you can add music from the YouTube library. They actually have quite a bit of music, so if you're not sure what type of music you want to use, they have a pretty large amount of music for you to choose from. Going from top to bottom on the right side, you can see that they have the ability to be able to switch between your front-facing camera as well as your rear-facing camera. You also have a speed control option that allows you to slow down and increase the speed of your video. I said video specifically because I noticed that when I was recording some clips in slow motion, my audio stayed the same, so it was a little weird to have my audio at normal speed while I was in slow motion. There's also a timer option that allows you to set a record timer for each one of your clips. You can choose from 3 different preset options, or you can do your own custom timer at the bottom by sliding the bar to one direction or the other. You also have a wide variety of filters to choose from overly saturated ones to gray ones. They're all pretty standard from other social media apps that you've used before, but YouTube said that they're going to be adding some more filters in the future as well. At the bottom, you can obviously see the record button, but just above that, you're going to see the number 15. This is how you can actually change between 15 and 60 seconds. So the cool part about the recording is that you can actually record things in multiple segments. So that way you can stop and record, you can set timers, you can do whatever you like. It's actually a pretty cool feature. Just to give you a brief example, you can press the record button for 5 seconds, stop, switch angles, record for 10 seconds, rinse and repeat. You can keep doing this as many times as you'd like. Once you're done recording all your clips and you're ready to process your videos, you can go ahead and head over to the edit page. Here you can add things like music and filters again, as well as you can add text and also view all your clips on a timeline. The text is actually pretty cool because you can add this to any part of your YouTube short. You can choose from 6 different text styles. You have the ability to add boxes behind your text, and obviously you can change the colors of your text as well as the box behind the text. You have the ability to make the text smaller and bigger by pinching it. You can also make the text rotate by just twisting it around with your fingers as well. I'm gonna go ahead and say the timeline is okay, but honestly, I don't really see the point of it so far. Literally, all it's gonna do is just show your video on a timeline, and that's cool, but you can't edit anything, you can't cut or do anything. The one really annoying thing that I don't like about this edit page so far, and I know they're probably gonna fix this, is the fact that you can't pause the video at all while you're on this edit page. Technically, when you're on the timeline, you can pause it, but still, it's not very useful. I mean, when you're outside of that trying to add text to your video, it's very difficult. You can't pause or do anything. So once you've got your short completely sorted out, you can go over to the next page and actually start uploading it to YouTube. This is incredibly basic. You can't add thumbnails, you can't add descriptions or anything. All you can do is add titles at this time. So what you're gonna have to do if you want to add thumbnails or descriptions to your videos is you have to either do it in the YouTube Studios app on your phone, or do it on the desktop client. The one saving grace here is that you can set your YouTube short to private and just upload it to YouTube and just start editing things in the studio like you normally would a regular video. Over the coming weeks, I'm going to be making all of my YouTube shorts using this YouTube Shorts camera so I can fully experiment with all the features, so definitely make sure you're subscribed. So my question of the day for you guys is, how do you feel about the YouTube Shorts camera after watching this video? If you're looking for more videos on YouTube Shorts, I have plenty of videos on my channel talking about YouTube Shorts, as well as I have other YouTube tip videos as well. But alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. What are we doing? Move! No, so watch this. I'm gonna show you guys a glitch. Who are you talking to? Creepy!
I didn't.
Who are you talking to over there?
We have to